Here we go, guys. A little bit of test and tune time. Got ourselves a little Traxxas Slash out here, drag car. I think he's gonna be a little funny with the single wheel, but hey, hope he likes it. He's never done this before in his life, but you kind of see we got the DR10 as well. We're gonna try out that hot racing wheelie bar to see how well it actually is. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Well, guys, decided to throw a little twist at you. Now, you guys all know that I planned on putting a different body on the drag car. And guess what? We're got it out today. Check it out. Ta-ha! We are rocking the Nova, guys. Let's go ahead and see how this thing actually works. We know the body's not going to change much, but life goes on. Let's go ahead and rock it. I don't know, on that run, I honestly think the DR10 got the jump on the Traxxas drag slash. So we're both running 2S here. We both run it out strong. Man, it was awesome. Man, guys, the new wheelie bar for the DR10 Team Associated drag car. Man, this thing is awesome. I love the way it works. I love the way it looks. It performs very well. As you guys can see, this thing actually works now, and it's pretty much the same as it was. I ain't really had any of the problems with it turning one way or the other, taking off. It comes up on the wheelie bar and drops down and just goes, as you guys can tell by the video. Man, this thing is awesome. And please, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. And don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Man, this thing's been an awesome little trip, dude. I'm kind of glad I broke this car back out. I kind of wanted to. It's been a while. Man, I enjoy running this thing. Well, I'm going to get out here, run the rest of this battery down. Man, I appreciate it, everybody. Thanks. and check us out. Appreciate it.